If you're seeing a Gmail login error, forgot your password, or can't remember your email address, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to recover your Gmail account and fix the most common sign-in problems. We'll cover password recovery, username recovery, common login mistakes, and a few simple trust tips that can help Google recognize your device. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's start with recovering a forgotten Gmail password. Open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. On this page, enter your Gmail address and click Next. Google will then ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you don't know it, just click Try Another Way. This is where Google will offer different recovery methods depending on what's available for your account. You may be asked to verify using a code sent to your phone, a recovery email, or a Google prompt on a device where you're already signed in. Choose the method that you can access right now, then complete the verification step carefully. If you receive a code, enter it exactly as shown. If you get a prompt on your phone or another device, approve it to confirm it's really you. Once your identity is verified, Google will let you create a new password. Type your new password in the first box, then re-enter it in the confirmation box. Make sure it's strong and something you can remember, but not too easy for anyone else to guess. After that, click Save. Your Gmail password will now be updated and you should be able to sign in again using your new password. Now let's say you don't remember your Gmail address at all. To recover it, open accounts.google.com/sign-in/username recovery. Enter your recovery phone number or recovery email address, then type your name exactly as it appears on the account. Follow the on-screen verification steps and Google will help you find the Gmail address connected to that recovery information. This is especially useful if you created multiple accounts over the years and can't remember which one you used. If you're seeing a wrong password error or a message that says couldn't sign you in, the issue may be something simple. First, check that caps lock is turned off. A single capital letter can cause the password to fail. Next, double check your keyboard language or layout, because some keyboards switch symbols or characters without you realizing it. Then carefully re-enter your password one more time, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing mistakes. Another helpful trick is to use a trusted device and location. Try signing in from your usual home or work Wi-Fi, the same browser you normally use, or a computer or phone you've signed in with before. Google often uses device history and location patterns as part of its security checks, so logging in from a familiar setup can sometimes make the process much smoother. If you're still stuck, take a moment to go through each recovery option slowly and make sure your information is correct. Most Gmail login problems can be solved by using the right recovery method and signing in from a trusted device. The key is to stay calm, follow the steps carefully, and verify your identity the way Google asks. And that's how to fix a Gmail login error, recover a forgotten password, find a missing Gmail address, and handle the most common sign-in issues. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.